Hi guys, I'm back with another video. For this video, I'm going to be making my own Shego costume for Halloween.
I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me cause I'm impossible.
I'm going to be designing my own Shego costume just because I really want to be Shego for Halloween. I loved her. I just remember her so much in Kim Possible, and I just remember her being that girl, just being a bad bee. And I feel like I couldn't find any modern day Shego costumes that I feel like really embodies who I saw Shego was. So I'm just gonna be designing my own. I went off Amazon and ordered 2 jumpsuits, one black, one green. And I'm just gonna deconstruct them to make my own Shego outfit. The company I got these jumpsuits from is called Supernova. Okay, so I have the jumpsuit on. This is what it looks like, and it goes all the way down to my feet. It fits really well. Here and here is where we're cutting.
basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible. 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 Impossible.
Fuck it.
Oh yeah. Basic average. Basic average. Basic average. Impossible. Basic average. Basic average. Can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible. What? Impossible. 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 If you wanna reach me, reach me. Just can't wait until I hear myself on radio. Whenever you need me, baby. On that beat, if you wanna reach me.